Made a little improvement on my old Kayak Cart design. I'm going to show you how it works and why I think it's better. Okay, this is an 1.25 inch pipe right here, and this is 1.25 inch. It turns out that 1-inch PVC slides really easy in the 1.25 inch. You can see here how it slides real easy. So there's 1 inch inside of this, and then a 1/2 inch threaded rod. So you will also need reusable zip ties. These are rated for, I think these are 50 pounds a piece, but you're not putting that kind of pressure on this. Now you can use this on a double handle or a single handle. For this, I'm going to show you just this real quick. And this also allows you to take this off. You'll leave this on like this, but if you want to take it off later and use it on another kayak, you'll be able to do that. So I'm going to move the kayak over a little, and I'm going to show you that this is better because you'll notice this is now a hinge. This slides much easier. It allows you to bring this around, and then just like my old design, I can lift up on it and slide that under. I'm going to flip it. A 10-foot stick of 1 inch and a 10-foot stick of 1.25 inch. You're going to need 2 1-inch caps, 2 1-inch tees, 2 1-inch elbows. And when I put this whole thing together, I took a Sharpie and I made marks. Especially up here at the elbow, I made marks. And this is so when I put the glue on, you don't have a lot of time to mess with the glue. You can just line up those marks and then tap it together, and it comes together pretty nice. And I liked it because normally you need the primer, and I didn't need it for this. This also allows you to have more freedom on your kayak than if you put wheels in the kayak. Even a scupper kayak takes up space, and this seems to take up less space. It still allows me to use my rails. I still have access to my pole holders. Still got space underneath, and of course I don't have a set of wheels taking up space in my back storage area.